Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This hair is from UrGirl. A bonnet, lashes, wig caps, edge brush, melting band. You get a card, tells you how to take care of the hair. If you do a YouTube video, TikTok video, you get cash back. You get a silk bag. Finally, the wig. 18 inches. This wig is supposed to come pre-plucked, pre-cut. Here's what it looks like. The hairline is given. The knots are super small. The lace is definitely cut. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back with an elastic band. All of these combs, extra security. It's really soft. And it does shed. And it just smells like hair.
But the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I'm trying me a new foundation. Yeah. Drinking my new salvation. My own foundation. Yeah. You won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody.
Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals dey in human form. Body man nobody like talk, but you must hustle if you